Amigos, I've got a cool little lick for us today. Very simple, but I think it sounds very melodic, quite beautiful, quite tasty. So let me show it to you. And then as I always do, we'll talk about some variations, some options, and some directions you can take it in. I don't really want you just sitting here learning this note for note and then thinking that's it. It's quite the opposite. I want you taking even a fraction of what I'm going to show you and running off in your own direction and making something completely new. And I'm just giving you a bit of a catalyst to get you started. So let me play for you. That's essentially the lick. Nice and simple. You play a B minor chord, then two notes, 3, 5, then another B minor chord. I will show you this in more detail, a couple notes, and then that final lick. So that's what we've got. Okay, the B minor chord. It's just 2, 4, 4, 3, 2 from the 5th string. I'm playing it with my thumb. You can, of course, use a plectrum. I often do use a plectrum when playing Spanish guitar, even though I call it Spanish guitar, but any true flamenco player would never probably touch a plectrum. But I've never claimed to be a flamenco player, but I'm using my thumb here. Just raking the thumb nicely. So it hits each string. You know, like in a cartoon, if someone chops their head off and it donks down, so dun 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 dun, drops down the stairs like in Bugs Bunny or something. It's kind of like that with the thumb. It donk 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 on each string. It's a great way of starting a lick. So that's our first thing that we do. And then we just go 3, 5 on that high A string. Look, even that can be useful, especially if you're willing to improvise a bit. Just that, it's basically a chord and 2 notes, 3 and 5, plus the 2nd fret note that's the highest note of the chord anyway. It's pretty cool. So that's the first part of the lesson. As always, tabs for this lesson will be on my Patreon page, and I do thank my Patreons. You guys are legends, and I hope you're learning something. I hope everyone's learning something. So that's the first bit. Then we go to another B minor chord, 7, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. Same kind of string rake, that 3-note string rake. And then we play 9, 10. Just like before, this set of 3 gives you plenty of options as it is. So you can have fun with that. And even if you don't go any further with the lesson, if you don't want to learn the fast little run at the end, although I hope you do because it's not hard and it's cool, but you could just go. And I'd like to think that is worth a 3.5-minute YouTube video already. So some fun little sounds there. But then the way I was finishing, I'll give you the set of notes. 12, 14, 10, 12, 9, 10, 7, 9, 5, 7. We'll leave it at that for today. Do jump on Patreon if you'd like more, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.